In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the earpiece of your iPhone is not working. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Accessibility. From here, just tap on Touch. Now on this page, just scroll down and tap on Call Audio Routing. Now if it is on Bluetooth headset or speaker, just select Automatic. After you do that, then just go back. Now under the accessibility settings, just scroll down, then tap on hearing devices. Now on this page, just enable hearing aid compatibility, then tap on OK. Now after you enable this feature, then finally just go back to the accessibility settings, but this time just tap on audio and visual. Now on this screen, just scroll down until you find the option for balance. Now if this balance slider is either on the left or on the right side, one of the speakers of your iPhone will not work. Now just make sure you set the balance to the middle. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just check if you have applied any screen protector on your iPhone or not. If you have applied any screen protector on your iPhone, just remove it, because the protector might be blocking the earpiece of your iPhone, and that is why the earpiece might not be working. So just remove the screen protector, then just use a soft cloth and wipe the earpiece area of your iPhone, as there might be dust or debris stuck in the earpiece, and this might be why the earpiece is not working on your iPhone. But if you've done that and if this also did not work, then just go back to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. From here, just tap on Input, and on this screen just select iPhone microphone. And after that, just check if your issue has been fixed or not. And if your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to the main settings page, and at the top just look for the option for Bluetooth. Now if Bluetooth is turned on your iPhone, just turn it off. Now sometimes when Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone might automatically connect to your Bluetooth headphones or to any external speaker, and this might be why the earpiece is not working on your iPhone. Now just turn off Bluetooth, then go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now after the force restart process is completed, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on Software Update and check if you have any update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. After that, just go back to General Settings and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then tap on Reset All Settings. Now it might ask you to enter the password of your lock screen, but after you do that, then just tap on Reset All Settings to confirm your action. And after doing this, you will reset all the settings of your iPhone. And do not worry, this option will not delete any data of your iPhone. It will just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if this also did not work, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix if the earpiece on your iPhone is not working. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.